Three quick questions for the Union Railway Minister, Pawan Kumar Bansal. Question one, are there going to be further hikes, because you have indicated that the fuel adjustment component may affect passenger fares in the future going forward?
I have suggested twice.
Yes.
That's for the Parliament to finally approve. We work out the impact during the last 6 months and then accordingly fix it for the next 6 months and keep going forward in the same form. Well, it's for the Parliament to decide how they do it, but I think that was the right way of doing it. And affect it would. If the prices, if we have to pay more, if the railways have to pay additional amount for the fuel charges, say diesel prices go up again, and you want the railways to run, you want the railways to be used for your travel from one place to another or for transportation of goods from one place to another. Well, if in that case they have to pay a little more on account of the increase in that would happen in the case of trucks also, by the road transport. Doesn't it happen there? Everywhere it happens. So if that were to increase a little in the case of railways, I'm sorry, I am sure the people would pay it without any grudge.
So you're not putting everything out in this budget. Question two, you begin with talking at length about the financial ill health of the railways. Tell me, Mr. Minister, did you inherit this from your Trinamool Congress predecessors?
No, I won't say that. Over the years, this was a conscious decision that we hadn't increased fares at all. But that landed us in a position that it became extremely imperative for us to increase fares with effect from January only. Because we needed some money in the current year, that is 2013-14, 2012-13 itself. And, that was a situation we really faced, and we had to meet that situation. That's all I can say about it. I don't blame anyone for that. But I do feel, if over a period of 10 years, we were to increase the fares and the freights by, say, a modest 5 to 6% every year,
yes, which
happens anywhere. Anything you buy in the market, anything you hire a taxi or a scooter rickshaw or a rickshaw or anything for that matter, you go to the market to buy anything, the increase is much more. But I'm saying, if you were to just increase the fares and the freights by 5 to 6% every year, it could fetch you at least 1 lakh crore additional amount in a period of 10 years. And that's a jolly good amount to really, clear all your projects with.
Well, the opposition, question 3, is calling this a Rai Bareli budget. Nobody is happy except the Congress party. They say it's discriminatory towards non-UPA states. Mr. Minister, even Mulayam, who's supporting you, even Sharad Pawar's NCP, who are supporting you, even Mayawati, all of these parties are complaining. They say it's a Rai Bareli budget. That's the words of the BJP, but that in a sense is a problem you face today.
This cannot be termed as a Rai Bareli. I don't know why they use that word. There is a coach
because
factory.
Because Rai Bareli is mentioned.
The coach factory needs wheels also. So if another unit there comes with in another arrangement in a PPP model with the Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited, those wheels are required there. If that factory set up there, on that they term it that way, I don't know. It's not a justified thing. But my effort has been, they didn't let me complete the speech about the trains and others. From wherever demands had come, we had met that. I have a list with me for which states, which many trains have been given. Well, we have tried to cover all the states, the entire country we have tried to cover.
Pawan Bansal, many thanks. On Top of News Hour tonight. Thank you.